Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 65 of Campus This Week. I am Arjani from English Department Sonada, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by KINS Health Siliguri, Enhancing Lives, and CII Institute of Hospitality, Kolkata. Sonada, 8-day Faculty Induction Program held in 2 phases. Assistant Professor Loden Lama of English Department reports.
Salesian College conducted the induction program for new faculty in 2 phases. The first phase was held at Siliguri campus from 6th to 9th July. The 4-day program consisted of explaining Don Bosco Way, history and legacy of Salesian College, classroom management and lesson planning, vision, mission and ethos of Salesian College, best practices, media education and community radio, Salesian College faculty profile, students mentoring and campus culture, ERP and LMS towards RBT, a hands-on approach, and drawing up of a personal growth map. Phase 2 was held in Sonada from 18th to 21st July 2022. The topics discussed included undergraduate research, basic psychological counseling, emotional intelligence, introduction to NAC and IQAC, service learning, internships and women's cell, visits to environmental NGO, and Sonada Tibetan Buddhist monastery were also included. The induction program concluded with a trip to Darjeeling and lunch.
Interested in career in hospitality? CII and Save Max Global Education presents CII Institute of Hospitality, offering 18-month diploma courses. Eligibility only 12th pass. 6-month classroom training and 12-month training at the Taj Hotel with 100% job assurance. After completion, you can convert to degree course. Courses offered in Save Max Chandigarh and Kolkata campus. Program developed by EHL Switzerland, world's best hotel management institute. Get your dream job in hotel, restaurant, airlines and retail. For more information, please contact us at 974855 3111.
Siliguri, psychology students holds 2-day life skill training and family life education workshop. Banhunlang Lyngdoh of Psychology Department 5th semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri Psychology Department held life skills training and family life education workshop on 18th and 19th July 2022 for 60 students. The workshop, facilitated by Dr. Prince CP from New Delhi, consisted of both theory as well as activities. First day of workshop had life skill training, thinking skill, emotional skill, games, as well as group discussion on storylines and role play. On the second day, there were brainstorming and recap sessions, followed by social skills, family life and education, family values in peer relationships, along with group discussion on storylines and role play.
Siliguri, 2-day orientation program held for 3rd and 5th semester students. Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication, 3rd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri held a 2-day orientation program for the 2nd and 3rd year students of all the 3 deaneries of Arts and Humanities, Sciences and Commerce and Management. It was held on 14th and 15th of July 2022. The first day saw general orientation, where new evaluation guidelines and examination patterns were shared, alongside the introduction of 4 schools within the Deanery of Arts and Humanities consisting of 10 departments. 4 new schools of Arts and Humanities Deanery are School of Psychosocial Praxis, School of Literature, Media and Polity, School of Education and Social Studies, and the School of Performing Arts. This concept of school would be a step towards unifying the departments and ensuring the expansion of the knowledge of the students both in and outside their respective departments. On the second day, during departmental orientation, students were reminded of the rules of conduct, syllabus for the semester, and events to be undertaken by the respective departments. The elections of the class representatives were also held.
Sonada, Mass Comm students on field trip visit Digha and Kolkata. Sreosi Saha of Mass Comm 5th semester reports.
20 students and 2 faculty members of Mass Communication Department had a week-long trip to Digha and Kolkata. Accompanied by Father Nirmal Topo and Ma'am Shikshita Dewan, the group left New Jalpaiguri railway station at 8 pm on Friday 8 July and reached Digha by noon on 9th July. After settling down in the hotel, students headed for Shankarpur beach to watch sunset and feast on a variety of sea fish preparations. After a night's rest, the group was on the beach to watch sunrise before catching train to Howrah. On arrival in Kolkata on 10th July, students freshened up in Nikita Don Bosco and had a drama in Rabindra Sadan, followed by a visit to iconic Prinsep Ghat. On 11 July, students visited Eco Park to see 7 wonders of the world, visiting the DDR studio owned by Don Bosco alumnus. Group witnessed shooting of Bengali reality shows Saregama and Didi Number 1. On 12 July, students visited St. Xavier's College on Park Street and St. Xavier's University in Newtown and had interactive session with Mass Comm students. After visiting Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, the group had Inox experience in South City Mall and concluded the day with a visit to Kolkata's premier institution, Don Bosco School Park Circus. Last day, 13 July, the group visited Mother Teresa's house, Victoria Memorial, Planetarium, St. Paul's Cathedral, All India Radio and Indian Museum before they boarded Darjeeling Mail at 10 pm.
And here's our photo of the week. Salesian College Sonada priest alumni felicitate former Salesian College Sonada rector and vice principal at Salesian College Siliguri, Bishop Elect of Krishnanagar, Dr. Father Nirmal Gomes in Kolkata on 16th of July 2022. Father Nirmal Gomes is 12th Salesian College Sonada alumnus to be ordained bishop. This show is brought to you by Kins Health Siliguri, Enhancing Lives, and CII Institute of Hospitality, Kolkata. And those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.